3, 2, 1.
What is the name of Sharpay's twin brother in the movie High School Musical? The answer is C. Ryan. In the humoral response, what protein substances help neutralize or eliminate toxins and pathogens in the blood and lymph? The answer is C. Antibodies. What two elements primarily make up the sun? The answer is A. Hydrogen and helium. A doorknob and a Ferris wheel are examples of what type of simple machine? The answer is C. Wheel and axle. Which citrus fruit has a thick, inedible rind?
The answer is C. Grapefruit.
Some dairy farmers want their cows to produce greater amounts of milk than average cows. Which process will help the dairy farmers develop cows with this trait? The answer is A. Selective breeding. What does Carly's brother Spencer do as a hobby on the hit television show iCarly? The answer is A. Sculptures. What animal is known as a sea cow? The answer is B. Manatee. What is the maximum weight for a boxing glove in competition? The answer is B. 10 Oz. Which author wrote The Horse and His Boy? The answer is A. C.S. Lewis. Which law relates the pressure, volume, and temperature of a gas? The answer is D. Combines gas law. Who plays the character Morpheus in The Matrix? The answer is A. Lawrence Fishburne. What is the fastest speed ever reached by a human-made object in space? The answer is C. 299,792 kilometers per hour. What vegetable starts with the letter K and is green in color? The answer is D. Broccoli. Which of these numbers cannot be expressed as a fractions denominator?
The answer is D. 100.
A species of wasp lays its eggs in the larva of another insect. The wasp is a parasite, and the larva is the host. What is the relationship between the parasite and the host? The answer is C. The parasite benefits and the host is harmed. Which book is about a dystopian society where citizens are classified by intelligence levels? The answer is A. Brave New World. What is the male gamete called in humans? The answer is C. Sperm. Which language uses the most vowels in its alphabet? The answer is D. Lithuanian. How many players are present in a double match? The answer is C, 4. Who wrote The Elements? The answer is B, Euclid. Which disease is treated with antihistamines and decongestants? The answer is D, allergies. What was Fred's daughter's first name? The answer is C, Catherine. Which of the following can only be seen with a telescope? The answer is A, the moon-like phases of Venus. Who is the main character in Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone? The answer is D, Harry Potter. Which gas makes up over 78% of Earth's atmosphere? The answer is C, nitrogen. How many countries does Monaco border? The answer is B, 1. What fruit is also known as a Chinese gooseberry? The answer is B, kiwi. In April 2007, a new version of blackjack was approved for playing in the U.S. state of Washington. What is it called? The answer is D, three-card blackjack. What type of accent did the three little pigs from the Shrek movies have? The answer is C, German accent. What was the original name of the melodramatic musical West Side Story? The answer is D, East Side Story. What do you call the container with handles used for pouring liquids? The answer is B, jug. What is the primary equipment for tennis?
The answer is A, racket.
Which author wrote David Copperfield? The answer is A, Charles Dickens. Which celestial body has the highest number of moons? The answer is A, Jupiter. What cooks food on a heated surface? The answer is C, skillet. On November 22, 1963, which president did Walter Cronkite announce had died? The answer is C, Kennedy. Who is the singer of Baby Shark? The answer is C, Pinkfong Adduction and Entertainment. Base tapeworms attach to the gills and intestines of base fish. These worms survive by taking nutrients from the base. What type of relationship does this represent? The answer is B, parasitism. 3 of the following albums are by the band Red Hot Chili Peppers. Which is the odd one? The answer is C, In Another Land. What is a stream of moving water that flows through the ocean? The answer is A, current. What is the value of pi to the nearest whole number in the standard form of its fractional expression? The answer is D, 5. What would provide the most nutrients? The answer is D, a pickled jicama root. What is often found in the kitchen but can't cook or eat? The answer is A, fire. Which celestial object has the highest surface temperature in our solar system? The answer is B, Mercury. Which of these is both the name of a fictional character and a pseudonym used by 2 co-writers of detective fiction? The answer is C, Ellery Queen. What do increasing greenhouse gas concentrations in the air do to the Earth's temperature? The answer is D, raise it. What name is used for the social groups that chinchillas form when living in the wild? The answer is D, herds. What Mustang-inspired model did the Ford Motor Company release in 1964? It was meant to be affordable, attractive, and oriented towards the youth. The answer is C, pony car. What is Napoleon's grandmother's pet in the 2004 movie Napoleon Dynamite?